I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you notice an unauthorized charge on your Chase credit card, disputing it can be straightforward. Here's how to tackle it step by step. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your recent credit card statement for the charge in question. Make sure it is truly unauthorized and not a transaction you forgot about. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant information, such as receipts or emails, that can support your claim. This will help when you explain the situation to Chase. Step 3. Log into your Chase account. Access your Chase online banking account or mobile app. Navigate to the section for reporting unauthorized transactions. Step 4. Initiate the disputes. Follow the prompts to report the unauthorized charge. Be clear and concise about why you believe the charge is incorrect. Step 5. Monitor your account. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your account for updates. Chase will usually send you a confirmation and may reach out for more information. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that you actually made, it can complicate things, so double check before submitting. Good luck with your dispute process. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.